supposed to work for money. We supposed to make our money work. So when we don't punch the clock, it's not even supposed to hurt.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going down? It's your man J Rich Movement, and yes, we are at it again. You know I represent Rich Movement, where our goal is to create a community of people that want to eradicate poverty from their family trees. Hopefully that'll be you one day. With that being said, it's question of the day time. Have you ever wondered how credit repair works? First and foremost, it's 100% legal, so you can put your mind at ease about that. So how it works is something called the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The Fair Credit Reporting Act says that any item on your credit report can be removed if you dispute it and it's not verified within a certain amount of time, which is a reasonable amount of time, which is 30 days or around there, right? And if it's not verified, it has to be removed by law. That's right, if it's not verified in a reasonable amount of time, it has to be removed by law. So even if it's accurate, it can still be removed or negotiated off of your credit report. So with that being said, there's two types of people. It's people that have a whole lot of time but don't have a whole lot of money, and it's people that have a whole lot of money but don't have a whole lot of time. Well, guess what? We service both because we're only $29 per month and we're completely autonomous credit repair. That means that the experts do all the work for you. So all you're going to do is plug your information in and sit back and relax and watch your score go up. Look, make sure you reach out to me today to get your free credit consultation, and we'll see if we can help you in your situation. With that being said, do something today that your future you will be proud of. I say again, do something today that your future you.
Credit rules everything around me. Better pay your bills off. Credit rules everything around me. The problem with us is we don't know how money works. We ain't supposed to work for money. We supposed to make our money work.